Only root has the right to specify the username. I'm not root, I'm being a Winky user. Let's confirm who am I. I'm Winky. So all I would do is just put in just password command like password, and now it's asking me to change or to provide my current password. So I'm gonna put in my current password. Now it's asking me for a new password. This time I'm just gonna put in 12345 and hit enter. What it says the password is shorter than 8 character. So let's put in 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and it says the password fails the dictionary check. So now Unix or most of the operating systems nowadays have this check where it looks for a dictionary and sees if that password exists or see if that word exists or not. So I'm gonna change it to something different, right? There you go. See, it took it, and I'm gonna reconfirm it. And password all authentication tokens